I called back.
I would press it right before you
Oncoming riders, welcome to Excalibur. At this time, you may step quickly but carefully onto the train. Loose articles such as hats, bags, and cell phones that are not completely secured within a pocket are not.
Then we'll come over here, behind this yellow line. This is our safe zone back here.
Are you guys ready for the first ride of the season?
I'm ready!
Okay. I don't mean you are here, so stay right, hold tight, and enjoy your ride Excalibur.
Da 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 da! Charge! Let's go! I miss you, my Excalibur! Here comes my favorite Oh my god! I think I'm gonna cry! Oh my god!
Bars coming on.
So much more room in this one.
Keeping all body parts inside of the ride unit with the back and shoulders against the seat back and your feet on the floor throughout the entire ride.
But that's
Let's
right,
do this.
During the ride, please remain seated in an upright position. Keep your hands, arms, and legs inside the train at all times. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
Let's do this. Yes! Thank you.
Attention riders, this will be the last ride of the season. First of all, I want to be very grateful for myself because I come from the other side of the world to work here. Second, and I want to be very grateful to my team. Thank you guys for this summer. And last but not least, thank you guys for riding. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
All beer! You can scream, you can shout, but it's too late to let you also sit upright and hold on tight. Enjoy your Excalibur ride.
Da 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 da! Charge! Woo! I think this is my 571! Oh my god. Good night, good night, my sweet prince. I'll see you next year.
sweet prince. I'm gonna miss you. Good night, sweet prince.
Please make sure you don't let the fans come down on the stuff. There you go, exit doors to the left. Thank you guys. Thank you, Michael.
Hold up.
I wish you the best.
Hold up.